Man, this was the B, you do gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforce.
What's up YouTube, this is RonDaGreat back here with another video, and today guys, today we're gonna prank my contact say yo, I want head from him, but it's actually wait God, give me a second. The charger area zip, so want to like the video, subscribe, about comment, this the video for YouTube. This other nigga will post it up, so me I say, you know, I'm gonna do the vlog, I'm gonna do the prank too. So I say, alright, I'm gonna try it. So nobody else I'm gonna try it. Yeah, make sure to like the video, subscribe, watch the ads. I'm born up on my iPhone kind of mash up. You say look, so basically this is what I start off with. So when you get like big and shit, you can look back and say I start off with a 7, bro. You see? So 3, 2, Alright, so I'm gonna start over about this. 3, 2, 1. Supposed to yeah. So I'm going on broadcast list and ask for ask them. Wait there. My bro kind of freak out. I don't know what to ask them. You can give me a head tonight. One charger. My thing kinda low. So I put it as you can give me it tonight. My thing kinda low. You see me? So basically the charger head me at but you know some Jamaican people out there, them come up with them foolishness, them dirty minds. So yeah. I copy this and then I send it to some rest of other people. Rest of pray some family member them no in this bomba. Wait, let me check first. Let me check. Let me check. My family member them in the one, so I send it. You know this I send about to at least 70 odd people right now. Alright, I go to the other one now. Scroll down. Scroll. Alright, so this section is clean, so paste it, drop it right now, bam, send it. Alright, I think me have one more last one to go through and then we'll go. So boom boy, brother, the moment I black, them have a black me today. The moment I black, them have a black me, especially because me have a whole heap of girls on my phone and everything there. Yeah. Bombard. Alright. All of them gonna accuse me, but anyways, who say man take what? Jimmy. Everybody has spam up my phone to bomba. My God. Alright. Look at Jimmy on the day in the broadcast session. Alright. So we have to go through the whole entire list. We have a whole friggin' list right now. Yeah. We have to go through the whole light and see them as so. Where to start from now? So who to start from? Right. Bombard. Yo. Bomba, yo, the moment I lit down me I get right now, dog. Alright. Me I come there. Let me start off from. Let me start off. I talk a charger. Yeah. No. Eh. Well, yeah, I think, Alright, me I send that to she because she say what? My best friend say, look if I your woman chat this and look back good when my name save as. Alright, she said that. The amount of box me I get to bombard. Right. Alright. I'm come out of this car, they might crash on my phone right now. Right, watch it. It not even come out. It crashed. Bombard. My phone literally crashed, bro. Oh, Ross, it gone on my revenue. I'm gonna come out of that. Go back in it. My phone literally crashed. My phone crashed. 4-1. I'll go with that. Alright. I keep on that. Wait there. I'm canceling off WhatsApp, dog. My phone crashed out, brother. Boom. Alright, so we're going back to the main menu. We must scroll down through the whole of this. Alright, so my name make my boyfriend kill me. This is what Angel say. They don't want me dead. Even if me not have a man, no would I give nobody head. She wouldn't give nobody head. So a good girl that one, you see me? I tell her the look of joke I know. Me I talk about the charger head. No know what you talk about. Alright, so come out the Angel thing. Who else? Alright, now I go to Naiman now, so Naiman say, wrong number my bad. You see who you talk? What? You see who this? You know I say Naiman. Yes, we all know. I want to step on my nose. Come blockhead. Let me get a little joke you know. Who else? Here I am, but no problem, come over. Wherever dirty boy. Alright, so DJ just tell me something name shit. Lovely. Very lovely. I love that, you see me. Tell her the piece of joke and I say me attack a charger head, I know where I talk about them bash me bro. Yeah. And yeah, the lovely piece of that. Who else now we are speaking for? Who else? Twinkle just said excuse me after what you want egg crate. Alright, we just like the lovely piece again. Me talk about the charger head, I don't know what you talk about. Alright, cut out that. Who else? Alright, so Layla just said I have a woman. Yes, I do have a woman. Yes, I don't know if I'm going to put it over there, so, but if future me feel like I put it there, then I'm going to put it there. Drop this. I have a whole heap of people in my phone, bro. Alright, who else? They can go. Alright. You see the one them who respond stupid things, I'm not gonna answer them. Just take out the actual good one. Yeah. So Jonah, that's what she name. Joanna or Jonah or whatever she name. She said you dip on drugs and you have a girl ask her, I have a woman, not a girl, not Yeah, you see me? Don't disrespect my lady like that. Alright. I'm gonna say now the lovely piece. Me attack a charger head, me don't know what you thinking. Yeah, the lovely piece. Daniel come and talk about yeah, what him and in a dog. From long time I know say you lean, but I'm down for real. Turn up on let me give me lovely piece. A charger in me at talk about. Alright, so who else? 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 So far nobody else no answer. Nobody else no answer. They come like me get a few people out of that 11-minute video.
When this was the beat, you do gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married the money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcement.